What technologies are in the best position to transform merchant payments?
Yes, tokenization. Tokenization is the process we use to replace 16 card digit numbers with a digital token. Today, we already have about 30% of all the transactions that are fully tokenized end-to-end. And our ambition for 2030 is to have 100% of the transaction fully tokenized. Why? For two reasons. First, the user experience. If you replace a card digit, a 16-digit number by a digital token, you're making consumer lives much easier when they need to check out. They don't need to enter those long numbers anymore. Also drastically improving the approval rates for the merchant. Second, security. Digital tokens do not contain any sensitive financial account data, making them totally useless for fraudsters and scammers. So this is why we want to have by 2030 100% of tokenized transactions.
Who will be the key players in the merchant payments ecosystem?
So from Bridger point of view, we see businesses and enterprises turn to orchestration. After years of self-developing solutions of their own, we see that today more and more companies are coming from many different sectors to the orchestration platforms and needing this multiple connection to multiple providers in a single API. But it's not only that. They require also enablement of many other tools like fraud and risk and accounting and so many other tools together with the orchestration. So we call it operation, payment operation, and that's where the world is going from our side, where orchestration platform will become payment operation platform, where they can also enable multiple tools, not only orchestrate payments and reduce processing costs.
If you should describe 2025 in one word, what would it be?
2025 will be a year of payment optimization for merchants. Sophisticated merchants are investing in multi-processor strategies to unlock multiple pathways for each transaction. They can then intelligently select the best path to achieve the lowest cost and the highest chance of authorization success, while ensuring that the risk is appropriately managed. At Forter, we tend to see in the market that merchants struggle to identify the optimal path. There are simply too many variables to consider for a manual, rule-based process to be effective, such as the cost and performance of PSPs, the option to process via domestic or international networks, authorization using a network token or a PAN, and the potential need for authentication via 3DS. The technologies that will therefore facilitate this trend are dynamic routing solutions. These tools will leverage AI and ML-driven decision-making to identify the best route for each transaction, while ensuring scalability and adaptability to changes in real time. If you're interested in this topic and want to learn more about how Forter has helped customers like Davies, Kiwi, and many others to optimize their payment processing, come and talk to us at MPE.